Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim for options. First, navigate to the Trade tab on the platform. Here, you will find the options chain, which displays various strike prices and expiration dates. Understanding this layout is crucial for selecting your desired contract. We will then walk through the steps to place your very first options trade, ensuring you feel confident with the basic execution process. Once you're familiar with the basics, it's time to dive into analysis. Thinkorswim provides powerful tools to interpret implied volatility and the options Greeks like delta, gamma, theta, and vega. These metrics offer insights into an option's sensitivity to market changes. You can also leverage the platform's robust charting features to perform technical analysis, helping you identify potential trade opportunities with greater precision. For those looking to expand their options trading, Thinkorswim supports advanced strategies. You can easily construct multi-leg option strategies, such as spreads or iron condors, directly within the platform. Effective risk management is key, so we'll cover how to implement stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Additionally, the Analyze tab allows you to backtest and simulate your strategies before committing real funds, refining your approach. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your experience. You can personalize your Thinkorswim layout to suit your trading style, arranging modules and charts for maximum efficiency. Don't forget to utilize the paper money feature, a simulated trading environment where you can practice new strategies without financial risk. It's an invaluable tool for building confidence. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.